Hello. The health information management role in communication is vital. It's vital because of all the different things that we have to do and that we are responsible for. So some of the things that we have to look at is being able to comprehensively communicate in healthcare, making sure that you understand what people said, and making sure that you understand the rules and the guidelines, making sure that you know the policies and procedures, and being able to communicate the things that you can and cannot do for other people. And when you're working with people, it's really important to be able to understand some of the perspective, the perspective of someone else, because you're going to be working with people that may not see and understand all the things that you do. You may work with some people that only have one view of it, and you have a larger view. So being able to communicate is super important because while you may have the larger picture and you may know what is happening, you have to be able to communicate that to others that only get to see a small portion of it. And with that, being able to have compassion for others. You're going to be working with so many different kinds of people, different types of people, some that you may never worked with before. And being able to build a relationship and knowing how to build a relationship is going to come in handy. Okay. And also being able to have empathy. In healthcare, having empathy is a huge part of it, being able to communicate and work with somebody that might be angry, might be sad, might be going through a crisis, whatever it is. Presentation of how you empathize with them is going to be really important. And you'll probably learn that here. Also, think about all the different kinds of cultures you're going to be working with. You're going to be working with a vast number. Some of you you already may know because there's something that you work with every day, and there's going to be some that you may not know how to work with. There are some key aspects of working with cultural diversity that you're going to get to see and understand, and that is what's important. Being able to work with everybody regardless of where they come from, different backgrounds, everything. Be sensitive and learn how to communicate. We all think that we're great communicators. We all believe that we're able to very clearly define what we say. But there are times where everybody needs a helping hand. Everybody needs to come together and say, hey, okay, the more experience and the more exposure I have to different people, the better and well-rounded I'm going to become when I communicate and I'm out in my industry. So remember, communication is very important in every single day. It's more than just talking. It's more of understanding where they come from, perception, compassion, empathy, everything. And this class is going to help to highlight how to communicate between other people with everything that you're learning. So welcome to such a great class.